Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know about few very important things on the welcoming window of PowerPoint. To do that, let me open PowerPoint first. This is the welcome window of PowerPoint when you open it for the first time, and I'm here on the Home tab. On the Home tab, I will first come to this thing. If you click on this, it will open a blank presentation, and there are other templates available. And if you want to see more from here, just click on the more theme, and you have a number of different themes available over here. Now I am on the new tab, and you see here is presentation, themes, education, thought, and different options. And if you want to pin any of the available themes, just push the pen button and it will be added here on the here to the new list. And if you are not happy with that, you can right click on this and you can remove it from the list back. If you right click on the thumbnail, this window opens up and you can preview from here the different previews, and you see here different instruction are written. And if you click on the create, this theme will be directly downloaded, and you see here the size of the theme is also given. And if I go back to the Home tab, here exists a list of recently opened documents. And if I click on the Pen tab, the list of pen document will be open, and you see it is blank, so I haven't penned any document. And similarly, you can go to this tab which contains share document with you. If someone has shared the documents with you, it will be listed here. So let me go back to recent, and if you want to open a saved document, just come to open folder, and the open folder will take you to this window. And on this window, again, different options are available. This is a list of different documents which has recently opened. You can go through it down and down, and it is arranged by date. This is this week, last week, older, and so on. And similarly, you can go to a list of folders which you have opened the documents from, and this is the list of different folders which be present here if you have ever opened a document from them. Then on this side, you can go to OneDrive. If you saved your documents on the OneDrive, you can open that from OneDrive, or you can go to this PC, or from this folder, you can directly go to Browse Files, and you'll be taken here to this file. So you can search for different folders, or you can go to different disks on your computer. Now, if I go back to Home tab and I click on blank presentation, a blank presentation would be open, and this is the designer window that gives you different ideas, and you can stop this from opening in the given file by clicking this button, so it is closed. And this is your title slide, which contains placeholder for title, adding title and subtitles. And if you don't like this, you can change the presentation of the first slide by at the Home tab by coming to slide group and clicking on the drop down menu over here. You can pick any one from these different options available. If I choose this one, I would have this type of presentation where you can add pictures, videos, or anything to this box, and similar to this box, you can add text or anything else. So I usually prefer to open a blank slide, and if I add now another one by pressing Ctrl M button, I'll get the blank slides. Or at any time I can add another option. For example, if I go for this one, and if now I add another slide, it will follow this one pattern. This one is that one, this one is this one. So this way you can open a blank or any choice of your slide from the file menu or from the Backstage. Thanks for watching.